I'm Jodie from Tonic Studios, and hello US. Welcome to your brand new launch. These, I've got to say, are absolutely amazing. This is where I get my mojo kicks. This is your memory book launch. Now in this launch you're getting so many different products. You're not only getting the memory books, you're also getting all the essentials. So shall we quickly go through what you can expect to have a look at? We have got all your beautiful book dies. So these ones here, we have got the Life's Journey. We've got its matte and layers so you can decorate it. Now that is going to give you 3 different size books, and they're the books just here on my right hand side. They are beautiful. So that is one book, and then we've also got your memory book creator. Now this one is going to give you this beautiful size book. On my other side, I have to say these books should come with a health warning. Highly addictive. Once you've made one, you are going to go on and on and on and make so many different ones. Now in your books there's many different ways of putting them together. You can use the spine die in there, but you can also find other ways to be able to do it. Now you will find loads more videos on the Tonic website to help you along there. Now you're also getting, it's exciting, I'm sorry, I'm giddy. You've also got the beautiful photo frames. They're going to make Polaroids with your pictures in. You're also going to get all the other ones as well. Now these are called your essentials. Now why are they essentials? Because they're something you're going to use on just about anything. We have got the brand new decorative tabs. They are amazing, they really are. We've got the peekaboo sliders, My First Smile. Now these are so different. These actually go in your paper and you slide your tabs in and out. Now let's face it, we want days of the year, we want months. We've got them. We have got all your days, your months in there. You've got all your little numbers in there so you can personalize them. And then we have got, these are what our customers here in the UK asked for. These were their ideas. So in there you've got little tickets, you've got stamps to match them, you've got corner brackets, you have got everything else. So if you're passionate about memory books, as I am, come and join me on Tonic Studios and you'll find a lot of inspiration on Making Memories with Jodie on Facebook. You are not alone. It is a whole series that's going to build and build and build. I'll see you later.